In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create financial reports in QuickBooks, P&L, and balance sheet. Financial reports are essential for understanding the health of your business, and QuickBooks makes it simple to generate insightful reports, like the profit and loss statement and the balance sheet. Whether you're tracking your income and expenses or reviewing your assets and liabilities, these reports can provide a clear picture of your company's financial standing. If you're new to QuickBooks or you don't have an account yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, open QuickBooks and navigate to the Reports section. To do this, look at the left-hand panel of the interface. You'll see a menu on the side, and the Reports option should be listed there. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Reports page where all your reporting tools are located. Once you're on the Reports page, click on the tab labeled Standard Reports. This will bring up a variety of report options that QuickBooks has available for you. If you're looking for specific reports, such as the profit and loss report or the balance sheet, you can use the search function to locate them quickly. Simply type profit and loss or balance sheet into the search bar. Alternatively, you can scroll through the list of reports until you find the one you need. QuickBooks organizes the reports neatly, so this part should be straightforward. After locating the report you want, click on its name. For example, if you want to generate a profit and loss report, click on Profit and Loss. QuickBooks will then process the data and generate the report for you. Depending on the size of your data, this might take a few moments, so be patient while QuickBooks works in the background. Now that your report is displayed, you'll want to adjust the date range to ensure you're looking at the right time period. At the top of the report, you'll see options to modify the date range. You can select predefined options like the current month, the previous quarter, or even the current fiscal year. If you need a more specific range, you can choose the custom timeframe option and enter the exact start and end dates manually. Next, you can customize the columns in your report to include the data that's most relevant to you. QuickBooks allows you to select specific data fields to display in the report. For instance, you might want to include only certain accounts or categories. Use the toolbar options to tailor the report to suit your needs. This helps ensure the report is as clear and useful as possible for your analysis. Once your report is fully customized, you're ready to save, print, or export it. QuickBooks gives you the flexibility to save the report within the system for future reference, print it directly for hard copies, or export it in formats like PDF or Excel. This is especially handy if you need to share the report with others or use it in another program. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized a financial report in QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.